Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken broth for cats. Start by simmering skinless chicken with water and low-sodium vegetables, avoiding onions and garlic, for gentle extraction of flavor and nutrients. Skim foam, cool completely, strain through a fine sieve, and remove surface fat for safety. Store in airtight containers in the fridge for up to 4 days or freeze in ice cube trays for later. Making cat-safe broth is simple and gentle, and I'll walk you through ingredient choices. Use plain, skinless chicken, water, and pet-safe vegetables like carrot or celery in small amounts. Never use salt, onion, garlic, or bouillon, and avoid bones that can splinter. Simmer for 1 to 2 hours to extract nutrients without concentrating sodium. Always cool, strain, and remove surface fat before serving to cats. Serve warmed, not hot, please. Step by step, this method keeps things simple and safe for your cat. Rinse and trim chicken, then place in a pot with cold water covering by 1 inch or 2. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook for 90 minutes to 2 hours, skimming foam. Add small carrot pieces near the end if desired. Cool fully, strain through a fine sieve, remove fat, and portion into small servings appropriate for your cat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.